A roadway is a complex environment with people and vehicles often moving in unexpected ways. Hyundai's Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist system is on the alert. If it determines that a collision with a vehicle or a pedestrian is imminent, it warns you and may even apply the brakes. How does it work? A camera mounted on the windshield connects with a radar sensor in the lower grille to look for vehicles or pedestrians in the road ahead. If it determines that a collision is likely, it sounds an alarm and flashes a visual alert. If an impact is imminent and you are traveling at 50 miles per hour or under, it may apply the brakes to limit its severity. But Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, only works once it is activated. Make sure that the ignition is on. For models with a digital display, press the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Forward Safety. For models without the digital display, use the LCD display control button on the right side of the steering wheel to get to the User Settings menu, then Driver Assistance, then Forward Safety. Here you have options. If you choose Active Assist, FCA alerts you if a collision is likely and may apply the brakes if one is imminent. If you select Warning Only, the system alerts you but does not apply the brakes. That is your responsibility. If you select Off, the system is deactivated. You'll notice that the FCA warning light in the instrument cluster is illuminated. You can also adjust how soon the system alerts you if a collision is likely. For models with a digital display, press the Setup on the dash. Then go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance, then Warning Timing. For models without the digital display, use the LCD display control button on the right side of the steering wheel to get to the User Settings menu. Then Driver Assistance. Then Warning Timing. You will see two options, Normal and Later. In Normal, the system is sensitive, alerting you early to potential incidents. In Later, the forward collision warning is activated at a smaller distance between your vehicle and the vehicle or pedestrian ahead. It's important to know that changes to warning timing are universal. They can impact other safety systems. You should also know that FCA will only function if you are traveling above 5 miles per hour and the electronic stability control system in your vehicle has not been turned off. FCA can be a great help, but it has limits. It does not eliminate the need for careful attention on the part of you, the driver. For example, it may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, while changing lanes, or in certain weather conditions. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Remember, you are the one driving your vehicle. The Hyundai Forward Collision Avoidance Assist system can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.